Welcome to our guide on growing your YouTube channel from zero. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your presence, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about niche selection. Choose a niche that excites you and has an audience. Research popular topics and find your unique angle. Next, channel branding is crucial. Create a memorable channel name, logo, and banner that reflect your content. Consistency in branding helps viewers recognize you. Now let's brainstorm video ideas. Look for trending topics, challenges, or tutorials in your niche. Don't forget to engage with your audience for feedback. Thumbnails are your first impression. Use bold colors, clear images, and readable text to attract clicks. Titles should be catchy yet informative. Incorporate keywords for better visibility. Speaking of visibility, let's dive into SEO. Use relevant tags, descriptions, and closed captions to improve search rankings. Posting consistency is key. Create a content calendar and stick to a schedule. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, this builds anticipation among your viewers. Audience retention is vital. Hook your viewers in the first few seconds. Maintain their interest with engaging content. Use storytelling techniques and visuals to keep them watching. Now let's discuss monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, explore options like ads, memberships, and merchandise. Finally, analytics are your best friend. Regularly check your YouTube Studio dashboard. Analyze which videos perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, growing a channel takes time and dedication. Stay patient and keep creating. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and happy YouTubing.